Hi everyone, my name is Julia, and I'm a Reference and Instruction Intern at Eastern Gateway Community College Library. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to find and access ebooks from the library. So let's get started. The first method to find ebooks is through the Gateway search box on the library's homepage at egcc.edu/library. You'll be using the blue box that's right in the middle of the page to do your search. I'm going to show you a live demo now of how to find ebooks in this way. Here we are on the library homepage. Let's say that we're looking for ebooks about planetary science. We would type in our search terms here and then click full text to ensure we'd be able to read everything in our results list. After we click search, a list will populate. We can narrow down our list by using this left sidebar. To filter by ebooks, look under this heading that says Source Types and click Show More. Then you'll want to click the box next to ebooks and click Update. Now our list shows only ebooks. Let's scroll through and see if we like any of them that we see. This one sounds interesting, Planetary Geology. When you click on the link, you'll then see a summary and abstract of the book, content notes, author names, etc. The most important part is here, where it says Online Access. These links will take you to the ebook where you can read it. Let's click on the first link. Now we have access to the ebook. If you click Chapters, and then Chapter 1, you'll be taken directly to the ebook where you can read it on your computer. Now let's go back to our list by hitting the back button and see if there's any other books that look interesting to us about planetary science. This next one also looks interesting. Let's click on this one and see. Sometimes, though, you'll see that there's not an online access section. In this case, you'll want to click the full text finder link. This link will try to find access for full text. Looks like we're in luck. When you click on this, you can see you have the option to download this book in PDF. So now I can read the entire book as a PDF as well. So this is one way to access ebooks from the library's website. But there is another way that I want to show you. The second method to find ebooks is by looking through our research guides for a relevant subject. We also call our research guides LibGuides. Now I'll show you a quick demo of how to do this method, similar to how I did before with the other method. Like before, you'll want to start from the library homepage. Now, this method is great when you have a particular subject that you're looking for ebooks about. You'll want to click on Research Guides to get started. There are a ton of different research guides available, all created by library staff. Let's say that we also want books about planetary science or astronomy. We can look by subject and click on Astronomy and Space Sciences. This LibGuide seems right down our alley. So if you scroll down, so here's our ebook section. Every LibGuide's a little different, so you might find a tab here at the top that has ebooks, or you might find a column, like in this one, where it has suggested ebooks. So these books all are really relevant to what we're looking for. Let's click on this first link, and you can see it takes us directly to the ebook, where we can click on chapters and again, have direct access to reading our ebook. So this is a great method if you have a specific subject that you're looking for. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and that you found it helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. You can email libhelp@egcc.edu, or you can chat live with a librarian from the library website. Just look for the Gator chat icon. Thanks for watching.